Efficient, consistent processes are critical for any manufacturer, ensuring companies deliver the high-quality products their customers demand and rely on. But monitoring these processes can be challenging, as production line miscommunications can lead to downtime, inefficiencies, and costly mistakes. Shift changes often rely on quick conversations or handwritten notes, which can easily be missed, forgotten, or misunderstood, leading to delays and confusion. Shift transitions shouldn't slow you down. Ensure every shift starts with clarity and confidence. That's why Syntax created ShiftBook, to provide line operators with an intuitive, easy-to-use tool to document and share vital information between shifts. Fully integrated with SAP Digital Manufacturing, ShiftBook plugs right into the production operator dashboard already used by line operators. Users can log entries right from the workstation dashboard using a simple email-like interface, or catch up on recent notes by scanning the newsfeed inbox at the start of the shift. Need to keep others in the loop? Configure ShiftBook to share new notes with line managers by email or with other workstations or production lines as needed. Need to investigate an issue? ShiftBook notes are securely logged, ensuring data integrity. Line managers can rely on the logbook feature to review archived historical data by workstation and time period, making it easy to identify trends or troubleshoot effectively. ShiftBook is easy to install, easy to use, and designed for SAP Digital Manufacturing users. Ready to streamline inter-shift communications, reduce operational risk, and improve transparency and accountability? Learn more about how our team at Syntax can help you achieve this and more. Contact us today.